guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So the EFF, seems to be fighting back, over this issue of other parties that are sort of like trying to win votes by, holding on to dear life, on this issue of illegal foreigners must go, etc. So the EFF, is saying, what? That does not work at all. All those parties that have been saying like Action SA, this is what the EFF is saying through overhang, that none of them, have deported that many illegal foreigners as they say as they say in their campaign messages, So the EFF, is more of like trying to justify, to say, what? We are all in the same boat, those who are calling for illegal foreigners to be deported and us, we have our own strategy, it's kind of like the same thing, But however, this message, from them isn't going to work that much for them in their favor, the way I see it. I'll get you guys on the next one.